Want it. We need it. Must have the precious. They stole it from us. Sneaky little hobbitses. Wicked, tricksy, false. No, not Master. Yes, precious, false. They will cheat you, hurt you, lie. Master's our friend. You don't have any friends. Nobody likes you. Not listening. Not listening. You're a liar and a thief. No. Murderer. Go away. Go away? I hate you. I hate you. Where would you be without me? I saved us. We survived because of me! Not anymore. What did you say? Master looks after us now. We don't need you anymore. What? Leave now and never come back. No! Leave now and never come back. No! Leave now and never come back. We told him to go away. And away he goes. Precious gone, gone, gone. See, he was free.